this. I haven't got here.
No insulin delivered. That's lovely. It's probably underwater, and you go on the insurance website and tell them no delivery. Maybe they can replace the order. Mine shit was next day or Tuesday, so it should have been here Wednesday, and they put bad weather Wednesday on the website, and I didn't, or else it said it Thursday too, something like that. Well, it's on ice, like it can't go hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. So now it's Saturday, and I haven't gotten it yet. And it's like $1,300 worth of insulin. You know what I mean? It's not like it's $20. Plus, I have one bottle with me, and that's all I have.
How long does that usually last?
I don't know. There's a couple more days in it, but I'm not spending no more money. I already paid them plenty. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Learning it when I go to her face, she'll reach down that bridle and
Hi, Billy. Cool.
Billy, you want your helmet? I'll just go hook him up. You like Billy?
I don't even know who was going out and on my healthcare. No.
Like girl.
I don't think I go on Upward website.
Hey, George. Kayla is the last one at home.
Lower. Just kind of like people walking, like right there. She pushes the left leg, just kind of make her bump your right hand to the left leg. Make sure she stays between the hands and the leg. Don't be real aggressive. Just tap, stop.
So, domestic package service.
Not really. I did that side.